Hello guys, welcome to another little quick science coronavirus updates. And it is a beautiful day outside today. Really nice. I'm just here to talk about the coronavirus that I guess we don't really need to hear much about. But because we know it's happening. So, as you know, the coronavirus is really bad for us. Yeah, we are not having a good time. I miss my friends. Everyone misses their friends. Mrs. loves them. Everyone misses a loving part of their family. But there's one side effect. One single side effect that makes it different nature-wise. Because, you see, monkeys and animals are starting to spring up a little more. You see more, instead, now you see more nature. You see more animals out and about. You see foxes. Sometimes you see, in some areas, dolphins swimming. Yes, believe it or not, dolphins. It's really fascinating. You get to see all these sorts of animals and creatures that just you don't see that often, that you just sometimes see sprung up now. Like right now, I don't know if you can see it, but there is some birds that's been out here in school. I don't know if you can see that, but so as you can see, that's a very neat bird right there. Birds are just all out and about. It's I don't know if you can see that bird, but it's fascinating. I mean, you can see woodpeckers, and in some cases, monkeys are about and exploring cities. Goats are exploring more so, more goats, and it's very fascinating. So that is one benefit that we have of the coronavirus that I want to share. And I mean, there's a lot of downplays during this coronavirus that we have to say what we feel in a solid little location. And but for nature, it seems to be kind of the opposite. Nature is all and about, and monkeys happen to be out a little bit more, and so do goats, and bees are out and about. Some bugs, and it's very fascinating. And yeah, so I just wanted to